Is it part of your job to ask for referrals? Like, is it part of your business strategy? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Ernesto from Get Through the Noise. I help professionals fix how they sound and look on video when trust matters more than referrals. I came across a really interesting study that impacts the outcome of those meetings by like 10% on hireability and credibility. But before we get to that point, I just want to let you know that we have a guide that'll walk you through if you're interested in solving this problem. Just drop a comment in the comments section and we'll give you a link to it. Now, this study totally surprised me, and this is a study that came out in 2025 from the Proceedings of the National Academies of Sciences. They just studied how you sound, the voice in our coming through this medium of video. If you sound like you're coming from inside a tin can, this is my MacBook Pro using the camera on it, its microphone. This is how most people sound. I'm washed into the space that I have. If you sound like this, echoey, if it sounds like you're speaking in the tin can, you are likely to be negatively influencing your listeners by about 10% of the in judgment. PNAS study of 2025 took 600 people and they recorded a voice saying something, a sentence long. They took a copy of that voice. One copy of that voice made it sound like it was coming from a cheap microphone in the laptop at a distance. So think of like echoey, tin can sounding. The other video, they just cleared it up, like as if you had a professional mic brought to you closer. Then they showed this to 300 people on these two groups. And then they controlled for all kinds of other variables, and they came out with a really surprising insights. The people that heard the tin can sounding stuff, same person, same words, same exact thing, they rated that person 10% less hireable, 5% less credible, and even 5% less smart as part of their judgment. It's an internal bias that we all have. It has nothing to do with what you're saying or the substance of the matter. It was purely just on the sound of our voice and how close to reality the voice comes through. Fortunately, we can solve this problem, but it's one that most people aren't aware of. And that's why we have that guide. If you just drop a comment, like I said earlier, we'll give you the link and it'll tell you everything you need to know, plus a bunch of other stuff related on how to make yourself look better and sound better so you communicate more clearly. Take care.